I'm Charlie Hutton, here at the 2018 SEMA, standing in PPG's Camp Wannapaintem.
So featured in a booth this week, you'll see custom painted fishes, you'll see custom painted oars, and of course when you go camping you always need a few directional signs. So in the booth there's some custom painted signs by our painters. Just be careful when reading them. A few of them might surprise you. So you couldn't go camping unless you had a canoe. So we were able to find one just in time, and Jeremy Sr. of our PPG training group ended up painting this wonderful canoe. If you get a chance, take a look at it. I'm not sure if we're ever going to get it back in the water, but it looks great hanging over the fireplace. We have a great number of vehicles here with us. Every year we've been known to feature the Ridler, and this year another Ridler winner is back again with a 55 Chevy, actually painted by Johnny's Rod Shop. So take a look. It's a grand winner and we're glad to have it here. A couple other favorites you'll see at the booth. Dustin Faust painted a 55 Ford truck, which is at the back of the booth that hauled in all of our camping gear. And then last but not least, a crowd pleaser, it's sure to bring a smile to your face, is this wonderful 1967 Volkswagen. So it's a great vehicle to have here. It's been a showstopper as soon as we wheeled it in. They opened up the side doors, popped open the tents. We are ready to go camping.